Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 1. Today we are going to start English grammar class. So you can take out the English grammar book, chapter 11, page number 44. In page number 44 you can see use of the doing words. So today we are going to learn how to use doing words. Like for example, जो आप लोग काम करते हैं, for example person, animals, what they do, and we have to use that word. So today we are going to learn how to use that word. हम लोग कैसे उसको use कर सकते हैं. For example, playing, reading and skipping, running, writing. So we are going to learn how to use these words. Look at the given pictures. Each picture shows a child doing something. The doing words tell us what person, animals or things do. So they all are doing something like playing, singing, reading, laughing, writing, sleeping. So they all are doing the work. So how to use these words we are going to learn. Okay. Ritu is singing, Raj is playing, Mona is reading, he is laughing, he is writing, the girl is sleeping. So how to use this word? The word tell us what person, animals or things do. So for example, you are writing something, आप लोग कुछ लिख रहे हैं. So you are, I am writing. I am writing a book. So like this you can write, I am writing a book. So you are doing something, आप कुछ कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए this is the doing words, doing work, जो आप काम कर रहे हैं, जो आप पढ़ रहे हैं. I am writing a book. So these are the examples. For example, you are going to sleep, you are going to clean your room. I will clean my room. So clean, I will clean my room. मैं अपने रूम को साफ कर रही हूँ. I will clean my room. मैं अपने रूम को साफ कर रही हूँ. So clean is also a doing word. Okay. Singing, playing, I am going to play football, Mona is reading. So these are the words. These are the doing words. These are the doing words. For example, you can see exercise for assignment. Take the correct option. The girl is sleeping or flying. The girl is sleeping. Sleeping. The dog is barking or swimming. कुत्ता का काम क्या होता है? भौंकना. So dog is barking. The dog is barking. Next, the bird is cooking or chirping. The bird is chirping. The cow is jumping or eating. Cow is eating. So these are the doing words. The girl is sleeping, the dog is barking, the bird is chirping, the cow is eating. So these are the doing work. So you can write some examples in your copy. In next page you can see correct the verbs from. So you have to correct the verbs. Verb is a doing work. Verb क्या है? Verb हम लोग को काम समझाता है, right? So talk is a verb. Now we are going to correct the verb. The boys are talking. So this is the correct verb. He is sweeping. Sweeping मतलब झाड़ू लगाना. He is sweeping. He is run. He is run नहीं होगा. So he is running. Next, choose the correct words from the list given and fill in the blanks. So you have to choose the words. There are some words. There are some examples. Shouting, controlling, playing, running, watching, sitting, are cheering. So This is the pictures. You have to see the pictures. First of all, you have to see the pictures. आप लोग ये pictures देखना होगा. उसके बाद you can fill the box. This is the pictures of a football match. There are, what we have to use? There are 11 players on both sides. The team are playing to win. Playing to win. The players are dashed to score the goal. The players are running to score the goal. Two referees are controlling the games. Many people are watching. Many people are watching the games. Many people are sitting. Many people are sitting on the chair, sitting on the bench. And the people are shouting loudly. They are dash their teams. They are cheering their teams. There are so many words that we can do. So there are so many words of doing words. Okay, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? So we have to make the words like example playing, controlling, sitting, cheering, shouting, watching, running. So these are the doing words. So I have done this exercise work. You can do in your copy. Exercise A, exercise B and C. So this is your homework. So today we have learned doing words. How to use doing words? There are some examples. Ritu is singing, Raj is playing, Mona is reading, and he is laughing, he is writing, the girl is sleeping. So there are so many words that we can use for a doing words. Okay, so this is the examples. Please read it. So for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.